in this video, our technical analysis for Ethereum went to our target exactly as predicted. And then for Bitcoin, we are actually seeing the bullish scenario playing out, and tingnan natin yung kanyang latest movement sa kanyang bull market support band. Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another gabscrypto currency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So before we start this video, in today's gabscrypto 101, papakita ko sa inyo how do I set up my technical indicators for analysis. So makikita nyo kung paano ko sinaset up yung moving averages, MACD, RSI, and volume upon my personal trades. So if you want to know how to I set this one up, catch this video tonight at 7 p.m. It's actually in YouTube Premiere. So you could actually check this on my YouTube channel. And upon checking it on my YouTube channel, makikita mo siya dito sa gabscrypto 101. And you could actually find this playlist in the description down below. And if you want to see this video, I will actually leave this link in our cards dyan above. So makita nyo siya. So yeah, let's dive into this video. Let's look at Ethereum first kasi nahit na natin yung target niya. So for Ethereum, we actually met our technical target from this double bottom pattern, which is itong 2.8k. So ang double bottom is actually itong a double bottom, and then we actually calculated the height by getting this candle from the height of this, from the neckline up to the lowest point, and then nilagay natin siya sa point of breakout, and then dyan sa point of breakout, na-meet na natin yung target exactly as predicted. So ngayon, what's next for Ethereum? So right now for Ethereum, we're actually starting to see some bearish signals, which is yun nga, declining yung RSI natin. So it's also worth noting na kailangan nyo tingnan yun kasi look at this. An increasing price with a declining RSI, that's actually a signal for a trend reversal to the downside. So medyo maging cautious lang kayo dito. I would not enter into any trade with this not unless mag-dip siya. Siguro kung mag-dip siya, good buying levels mo, it would be the 2.5k, 2.4k, and the 2.3k. That's a good re-entry. Pero let's say what if na-break niya to? Kasi if you're going to look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance, malaki-laki pa yung pwede natin i-pump natin for Ethereum. Kasi kaka-breakout pa lang natin dito sa price action ni Ethereum to Bitcoin. So, Ethereum might actually perform better against Bitcoin in the coming days. So, in this case, if it would perform better, then ano ba yung magiging next target natin for Ethereum? So, let's look at the chart and try to get our next target. So, in this case na hindi pa natin nakikita yung next resistance, we are going to plot the next resistance. So, our first resistance for this one, if na-break natin yung 2.8k, would be this 3.2k area. Pero, let's say mag-plot tayo na Fibonacci. So in plotting a Fibonacci, you just have to click this tool, Fibonacci retracement. And then from the all-time high up to the lowest low. And then makita natin yung ating technical target for Ethereum. So according to this movement, ang next target natin for Ethereum would be this 3k dollar area. So $3,000 ang next target natin if na-break natin yung 2.8k. So yeah, that's actually a good level to watch out for if na-break natin to. So bullish scenario if mag-continue pa din tayo mag-pump kahit overbought na. Kasi pwede mangyari yun. If we're going to look back in time in kay Ethereum, nagawa niya pa din mag-pump despite of being overbought. And yeah, if magtuloy-tuloy yun, 3k yung ating next target for Ethereum. Other than that, if nag-dip siya, 2.5k, 2.4k, and 2.3k. And yeah, ayun nga, guys, because of this movement, nakuha ko ng profit with my crypto.com profit. You can actually see na ito yung profit ko from this na $300. Naging more than $550 na siya from this movement alone. And actually, I earned more kasi nga stinastake ko siya. And the best place to stake your Ethereum is actually in crypto.com's CryptoEarn. So in crypto.com, you can actually earn up to 8.5% per annum sa interest in coins and 14% in stable coins. If you want to know how to use crypto.com, you could actually check this video out. Maglalagay ako ng card dyan sa taas. Or you can find this video in the description down below. And if you want to claim your $25 to $50 bonus, you can actually use my code gabscrypto, which you can also find in the description down below. So now let's dive into Bitcoin naman. Kasi kay Bitcoin, we actually mentioned to you this head and shoulders pattern. So a head and shoulders pattern is traditionally a bearish pattern. Pero ito yung lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, guys. Always wait for a breakout. Ang nangyari, nag-bounce off tayo dito sa ating neckline. Kaya hindi natin na-confirm yung move. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na always wait for a candle close below the neckline with volume in order to confirm the move. So, since nag-bounce siya, nag-play ngayon yung ating bullish scenario, which is this falling wedge. So, the falling wedge is actually a trend reversal pattern to the upside. So, ngayon, ang technical target for this falling wedge is actually this top of the wedge, which is the 42.2k. Pero let's be conservative at this one and let's follow the 42k area instead of the 42.2k. So yeah, I believe that will be our next target for the Bitcoin price. And look at this. If hindi natin masustain yan, then we would more likely consolidate with this area if hindi natin masustain yung movement ni Bitcoin. And it's also worth noting na itong 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is actually a pretty strong support na kailangan mo tingnan kasi if you're going to look back in time, this 50 moving average is actually a support when we are in a bullish movement. So if you're going to look back in time, yun nga oh. Ayun nga oh, yung 50 moving average, dyan tayo nagbabounce if we are in a bullish movement. Pero let's say nag-decline tayo or nag-enter ng dip, yung 50 moving average would be acting as a resistance in the 4-hour time frame. So ngayon we are now actually above this 50 moving average and we are now acting it as a support. So it's more likely na possible tayo mag-pump dito from there on kay Bitcoin price. Now let's look at this bigger time frame kasi at this time, the Bitcoin price is now also testing this bull market support band. And this 21-week EMA, which is the blue line, yung bull market support band, tells us historically na dyan tayo more likely magkakaroon ng support for the long-term bull market. And if nagkaroon tayo ng candle close above this blue line, that would indicate na we are in a long-term bull market. So ngayon, hindi pa siya nagka-close. So ang close niya is this Monday pa, this coming Monday, which is 8 a.m. So kailangan nyo abangan this Monday kung magka-close tayo above this blue line. So yeah, definitely a level to watch out for the Bitcoin price, this 21-week EMA. So for Cardano, we are still actually pretty stable pa din. So kakaiba yung kanyang movement. But it's also worth noting na we are also above this 50 moving average na for Cardano in the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, at least meron tayong major support na nag-hold for Cardano price movement. So for SLP, we are still continuing this downward movement. Yun nga, wala pa din pinagbago. So ang technical target natin dito for the midterm is actually the 15 cents. And then ang technical target for the short term is the 17 cents. So yeah, pwede tayo dun bumaba and we are still oversold for the SLP price movement. Well, naging oversold tayo at ngayon umakit siya. So yung RSI niya is increasing and then declining yung price. That would mean na it's a bullish divergence. So anytime soon, hindi ngayon, pero anytime soon, possible na pwede siya mag-trend reversal kasi increasing yung RSI niya. So yeah, definitely patience lang talaga kailangan yung laban dito kay SLP kasi yung indicators niya are all still being oversold and ngayon bearish pa din yung MACD niya, though sa RSI we are starting to get bullish. Hindi pa tayo 100% out of the woods for this SLP price. So you need to wait this one out pa bago malaman kung ano yung next move niya. But right now, 17 cents on technical target. Our resistance is now the 20 cents and our midterm target for this one is still at the 15 cents. Wala pa din tayong pinagbago dito sa level niya. And then for Axie Infinity, yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, it would more likely consolidate and the best place na pwede tayong makita ng pump is when we touch this 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So if na-touch natin siya anytime soon, then that's where I believe na pwede tayong mag-pump. Kasi the last time na nag-pump si Axie Infinity, doon tayo nanggaling, which is the 100 moving average. And if you're going to look back further, ganun din yung nangyari. We actually went off from this 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Tapos dun tayo nakita ng pump kay Axie Infinity. So, if I were you, patience lang talaga sa mga coins na yan kasi dyan tayo more likely makita ng move pag nag-touch na tayo sa 100 moving average. So, ang kailangan mangyari dyan is either mag-break siya to the upside, pero if hindi tayo nakakuha ng rebound dito sa 100 moving average, then that would be a bad indicator for Axie Infinity as I believe pwede siya mag-decline up to the 200 moving average. And that would now be falling around the $28 area. So yeah, yun yung kailangan nyo watch out for Axie Infinity. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.